G'day guys and girls, welcome to another Landscape Contractor Magazine test drive, and I'm here as per usual with Andrew Tulloch. How are you, bud?
Good, thanks. How are you, Jamie?
Hey mate, really well. So look, we've got another Honda to check out, but looks like we've had a little bit of an upgrade with a few special features. What do you want to share with everyone about this?
The 216 is a premium contractor machine. It's a choice by many contractors. It's got the blade brake technology, same engine, the GXV 160.
Now Andrew, I know you weren't expecting me to bring you up to a paddock, but I did tell you that I had the perfect site to really test out this Honda. I mean, we could have just run it over a lawn and taken a couple of centimetres off and make it all look good, but I really wanted to show just how powerful and capable this Honda is, even in the most toughest of conditions.
Okay.
And you've got to admit, mate, it doesn't get much more Australian than this.
It's a paddock.
So even the bushies out there, check out the cutting capabilities of this Honda. It is gonna impress.
The 216, it's a true 3-in-1 mower. It does have a multi-plug. It has the large catcher and also a rear discharge. So the chute angles open and you can rear discharge long grass.
What are some of the other key features on this machine?
Well, obviously the self-propelled, 3-speed. So, you know, going up a hill or something, you can just crawl it up in gear 1, but for the contractors are out there to make a buck and go fast.
Perfect.
In 3rd gear and off you go.
So loads of control then, right?
That's it. The GXV 160 is fitted with the Easy Start, Honda's Easy Start system. Very little resistance to start the machine, not like the old days where you had to reef the cord. Just really gentle pull and away they usually go, so let's give it a try. Fitted with a single height lever adjustment, really easy, spring loaded, any position, much easier than the 4-wheel height adjustments, especially when you're changing for multiple lawns, as the contractors do. It's also fitted with this, what looks like a bull bar at the front, but as you know, the contractors smash their machines, so protecting the base plate and also a handy tie down point for transportation. Just like the smaller machine we tested last issue, this machine's fitted with the blade brake technology, which is awesome. You can let go of the handlebars and the blades stop spinning in an instant. Safe to empty the catches, safe to move obstacles, and it's just really good. No, you don't have to come back to start the mower on and off all the time.
So Andrew, there's no doubt, mate, she's a bit of a feature-packed little machine, this one. Between the self-propelled motor, what were some of the other key things that jumped out for you?
Well, obviously the blade brake, safety, that's terrific. The 3-speed self-propulsion, single height adjuster, and the list goes on,
So if you were working on a job with this one and you were having to like empty the catch or move anything out of the way, you just put the blade brake on, completely safe the whole time. It's a great little machine, especially in this. If it can push through this terrain, mate, it can push through anything. So we've definitely given it a really good test. So look, thanks everyone at home for tuning in for this another Landscape Contractor Magazine test drive. Make sure you check out the next issue of Landscape Contractor Magazine to see Andrew's review in full. And until next time, make sure you stay really safe on site, and we'll catch you soon.